My Beverly is calling them and you are making noise. Beverly, call here. Chi Emerie. Okay, now.
Chinese.
Yeah, Beverly, call again. Emerie. Chi Emerie. Venice. Venice.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We have another wonderful video for you guys to watch and enjoy what you're watching.
Are you done? Come on, let me close it. Yeah? Come. Come now.
Okay. You are not okay. Yeah, put water. Put water. Eh? You went to use the dispenser yourself. Hello. Come and talk to your baby. Come and see baby. Come and talk to baby. You're happy you have a sister. Fortune, leave that thing. Leave it. Let me hear what. Oh. Ọnwanicha nwa. Ọnwanicha àbí ọmọnicha? Which one?
Come here. Omalicha.
Ọma.
Omalicha.
Omalicha nwa. Omalicha nwa.
What's your
We are having in a house. House. Baby.
See, Fortune is calling her Brazil.
Which one is Brazil? Fortune, don't call that kind of wrong name again.
What's that name?
Badness.
Chemere. Yes. Chemere. Listen.
Chi Emerie.
What if it
God is the winner.
God is the winner.
Emerie.
Beverly.
My Beverly is calling them and you are making noise. Beverly, call here. Chi Emerie. Okay, now.
Chinese.
Yeah, Beverly, call again. Emerie. Chi Emerie. Venice. Venice. Leave her. She's okay, please. Cover it and keep. Where is this thing? Put small water here. Turn this one. Put small water. Come and put that in. So we'll not add. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Cooking delicacy for Mama B. Yeah. We'll have a pot of yam pepper soup with confirm vegetables. Here we've just put carrots, green beans, green peas, all of them in this yam pepper soup and with a lot of fish. So we'll allow this boil very well. We want to cook confirm porridge pepper soup yam, porridge yam. Hey, you never see something you could see. They never see you be cooking delicacy. Correct vegetables for her. And we'll have your vegetable which will be going inside that pot. Yeah, guys, more of the Mugo continues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Tap the bell for more notification of more videos. What's that? For honey. Okay. Yeah. Oh my God. Mama baby's food. Correct. So. Yep. Yep, yep, yep. Okay, now allow that to get ready while we fetch it for her to take. Yeah, so people. Yeah, it's time to put leave mama of boys is giving my baby delicacy. Yeah, so come closer and show my pots. Ooh. Uh, oh my wow. Yeah, so you know now. Owishi is ready. The orange plantain. And look how the face looks. Ooh. The chef is always the chef. So guys, this is what I'll be serving her. Oh my god. Oh my world, come bring down your heart. Hold on.
As
She is going to be enjoying this wonderful meal. And oh, trust mama in the kitchen. Yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed what you're watching and you really love what you saw. This is porridge yam to be served. Yeah, yeah, let's go. Oh, wee. Your food is ready. Let me jump. Stand up. You do something for mouth, so you take your drugs now.
I'll eat later. I'll call you guys.
Okay, yeah, let's take a look at our baby. Our baby's, she is just
Like a mom.
yum, 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 yummy, yummy, sweet, sweet. Yes, so beautiful people, we are still on the Amugo things, no? So, guys, don't forget to subscribe, share our videos. Above all, send your congratulations to Mama Beverly. Yeah, wonderful family, a happy family lives together. So tasty, delicacy. Yeah.